All right, move that back up there. So, site looks pretty good. We could change a few things. I think I might add some icons on the categories. That would look cool. We could just keep adding things that make it look nice, or change the design. You can change the color scheme, whatever you need. One thing we wanted to talk about at the beginning was like, let's make sure it's SEO friendly and AI friendly. So, review the site for AI platforms and search engines. So we okay, there's an issue. I don't know what it is, but title says Lovable app. Yep. No sitemap. Yeah. So it didn't do it. So all right, let's approve this, let it fix itself. Okay, looks like it did it all.